Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. Basically, we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code, and this option is the fastest one. And the other one is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. In order to enter it, we have to open the dialer, and the code is *##06#. *##06#. And as you can see, after entering this code, this kind of IMEI window will pop out, and here we can check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots and also the serial number which is attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and as I said, let me show you another way to check those numbers. It can be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, so you'll still be able to check those numbers. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the, maybe not to the very bottom, to the very top in order to find my phone. And now we will try to check and to find the IMEI info. Let's check the model first of all, and as you can see right here, you've got the serial number of this device. So it is hidden right here. And in order to check the IMEI info, we have to enter more information. Just tap on it and tap on phone information. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So as you can see, of course, this way takes more time, but as I said, in case that the secret code will now work, then you will still be able to check them. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.